My tamamu. Aisha tomo. My tamamu. If I am. Are you okay?
I am fine.
Are you sure? Because if you are not okay, just tell me. Let me come to that Ugwausa and call you sharp. I love you. Without you, I'm nothing. I'm telling you every day, you are the love of my life. Otomo, Mmemo.
She's sweet.
Aisha. Did you eat too much? Why is your stomach like that? Aisha,
I don't know how to say it now.
Look at your bless. Are you pregnant?
Okay, yeah. I said that I was going to inform you, like I was going to call you to tell you, but I did not know how to calm my spirit.
How to tell me what? My friend, talk like a human being. How to tell me what?
That I carried a baby inside of me. Oh, ODOGWU, me, I love you, pa. That's I love you, but since from my small baby, since from I was young age, my father, she betrothed me to Umaru. Umaru, she's one big man on my village. She has money. All the money I give to you, it's Umaru. My father, she's a poor man. My mother, she sell wina. You know wina? My mother, she sell that wina. Is that Umaru that she gave me money, plenty money, to live my life? Kuma, I gave me money because me, I love you. To Umaru, Kuma, she put me on this condition. Kuma, she left. She left ODOGWU. I don't have course ODOGWU, and I need money for maternity to check my.
Let me get you. Aisha, wait, you are pregnant for another man. A man impregnated you. Aisha,
but I love you, and
love I said love wagon. So you don't have money. Is that man that has been giving you money?
Yes. I don't have any money yet. I need money to buy clothes for baby.
I thought you said that your father is rich.
I liked on that. I liked on that one.
Aisha, wait, you carry belly for another man. So all this while you have been sleeping with another man, Aisha?
No, it happened by mistake, wallahi. I did not. It happened by mistake.
Can't say what? I was wondering that you are too old not to have a man in your life. I was asking the other day, say your mates in Hausa are married. I know that I'm not. Hey, Jesus Christ. So you just go around fornicating and then having sex. Now,
you speak your language to me. I don't understand what you said.
Aisha, Alamabwoga. So if I'm expecting to come here, no, you're all married. You think I'll come and be eating fairly use something? It is only
you I have. It is only you I have now. I want you to help me. I help you your time past stage. Now it's present.
Anyway, sorry. I forgot to tell you. I'm married. Let me go and attend to my wife. My wife came to visit me. Please.
You are married?
I'm a married man. I have.
So
I'm married with 2 children. So please, stop disturbing me. I'm a married man. Please.
ODOGWU, you haven't been deceiving me all this time. You are married. You disturb.
Haven't you been deceiving me too? You have been lying to me. I'm married. Please, Aisha, please. Let this be the last time you will call me. After long, my people say I should not have anything to do with you in the Hausa. Please. You are Hausa, I'm Igbo. I don't have anything to do with you.
Thank God for prank.
Abdullahi.
Thank God for prank. Karen, you see me, I lie it for you. Why don't go? Call you love at me, but I my stomach, she's stomach for pieces. I do the prank for you to know whether you are loving me for the last time, because Friday my father called me that she made me the new chairman of the company, and so I want to know that if you are the person I want to spend the rest of my life with, I will going to do haka to know if you will still love me with this kind of condition. Come on, you show me that. You are married, ODOGWU.
Aisha, wait. I know it was a prank now. I was flowing with you. I know that stomach is fake now. I know it's a prank now. How can I know it's a prank now? That stomach look fake now. I know it's a prank, you know.
It's a lie, ODOGWU. It is a lie. You dropped me your best. You were serious.
I know it's a prank now. I know it's a prank.
I had that. You want to run my uncle? You want to turn me to a malo to somebody
I know it's a prank now. I saw your stomach. I know it's a prank. How can I not know?
You are married. You are married. You have children. Come on, all this while, I sure you have been.
It is spiritual wife. It's not his spiritual wife that I have. I went to church. My pastor said I have a spiritual wife and I have 2 spiritual children. It's not only Olo. I know it's a plan.
You shut your mouth up. Then you know that me, I love you. Come on, you are. I don't.
Aisha, calm down now.
You are a criminal, wallahi. Criminal.
I'm not
you are only after the money. Immediately I tell you that my father she gave me a Tiaman haka. You do ya come on Alalagra.
Aisha, it's okay now. I know it's a plank now.
You stop calling my name.
Aisha, my tamamu. My tamamu.
My name is Aisha. My name is Aisha. I'm not your my tama. Because they tell you you should go and meet your my tama at your home.
I don't forget.
Come. Yeah, married I'm a while.
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yamba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Because click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. Oh, I love you too. Because no, go. Go. We are begging you, please go. Oh.
MC, I'm afraid.